Come along with me as I make an all-natural lavender soap. I'm going to start by melting an ounce of shea butter with my soap base. Then I'm going to mix oats and lavender for their exfoliating properties with alkanet, which is a natural colorant. My soap mixture starts to melt and I mix it thoroughly. Then I weigh out 9 grams of lavender essential oil. I'm going to add this when my soap is all melted. I like to add a little olive oil to my soap because it makes the soaps extra foamy. And I'm going to mix my olive oil, shea butter, and soap base together. Okay, it's all melted, so it's time to add the oats, lavender, and alkanet. I'm going to stir it all together, but I want this a darker shade of purple, so I'm adding more alkanet. And I'm going to stir that in until the color is uniform. Then I'm going to add my lavender essential oil and mix that together. I'm going to pour this into my molds. And after 2 hours, I have beautiful lavender soap.